Over the coming 20 years, more than 70% of oil and 30% of gas of all offshore production is projected to be produced from deep water developments. New well design criteria, responding to extreme geological and geophysical conditions through improved casing and cementing designs, have identified drilling with a liner as one of the enabling technologies to successfully reach these well targets. By combining the proven technology of casing drilling with the revolutionary design of a multi-set liner hanger, TESSCO responds to the need of the offshore industry by providing a safe and efficient liner drilling solution. This unique design allows for multiple suspension of the liner in the parent casing when changing out the bottom hole assembly, while maintaining well integrity over the target interval. In the next few minutes, you will witness how you can incorporate these benefits into your next project. The liner is run and suspended in the rotary table. A false floor, rotary bushing, and slips are installed to make up the bottom hole assembly, or BHA, and inner string. The BHA is completely retrievable, allowing directional drilling and formation evaluation capabilities. The pipe lengths are tallied to space out the BHA. Proper space out ensures the under-reamer is located below the liner and the motor stabilizer is placed just inside the liner above the shoe. The liner top assembly is picked up and made up to both the inner string and liner. The liner top assembly is connected to the liner. Makeup of the liner drilling assembly is now complete, and it is lowered into the hole. The liner is run through the riser pipe and below the subsurface blowout preventer. The liner is never across the blowout preventer while drilling, ensuring drill pipe is always across the rams in the event of a well control situation. The annular preventer and pipe rams may be cycled and pressure tested to ensure the safety and integrity of the blowout prevention system. After the integrity of the blowout preventer is established, the liner is run to total depth. Upon reaching total depth, the rig pumps are started. The flow of the drilling fluid turns the mud motor, and pressure causes the under-reamer arms to open. The drilling loads are transmitted directly from the BHA to the inner string, isolating the liner from the load and vibration of the drilling process. The liner pipe is rotated from the liner top, ensuring that the only torque applied to the connections is that which is required to rotate the liner. The lower cup tool above the BHA is ported and uses drilling pressure to keep the inner string in tension. As the hole is drilled, parameters such as torque, drag, standpipe pressure, and pump off are monitored and adjusted to maximize the rate of penetration. Returns are also monitored to ensure a successful job. The liner hanger control tool is designed to hold the hanger in the drilling position, preventing it from presetting. If the straight hole liner drilling BHA deviates from its intended path, it is easily replaced. All cutting structures of the TESSCO liner drilling BHA are retrievable. They are constructed of rigid materials that greatly increase the likelihood that the section depth can be achieved in a single run. To protect the liner during the BHA changeout, it is returned to the parent casing and suspended using TESSCO's patented multi-set liner hanger. The activation ball is dropped to set the hanger. Pressure is used to stroke the control tool, setting the hanger. All liner weight is set onto the hanger. The ball and ball seat are sheared by pressure and circulated to the liner drill lock. Pressure is applied to release the drill string as indicated by the pressure drop and fluid flow over the shakers. As the BHA is pulled to surface, swab on the formation is reduced as fluid bypass exists both around the BHA and the liner. Once past the liner top, the larger bypass area further reduces the swab on the formation. The bottom hole assembly and liner control tools are replaced. In this case, the BHA has been reconfigured to return the well to vertical. After the bottom hole assembly is made up, the drill string is rerun into the hole with a fresh liner hanger control tool and drill lock assembly. The liner drill lock lands into the casing profile nipple. Right-hand rotation shears the retaining tool of the liner drill lock and completely re-engages the liner. The liner is picked up while circulating to return the hanger into the drilling mode. The liner is returned to total depth to drill. If the liner was drilled through a highly mobile or sloughing zone, it is possible the hole has become under gauge. By parking the liner immediately in the parent casing, it has not become stuck and may be reamed to total depth as required. Drilling continues with the new BHA returning the wellbore to the intended trajectory. At total depth, the same set and release sequence is carried out to retrieve the drill string and BHA to surface. The liner is now ready for cementing. The cementing system is delivered to the rig pre-assembled. The assembly is picked up and run into the hole on drill pipe. The liner running tool is released. Upon verification of the release, the hole is then conditioned. After conditioning, the required spacer is pumped, followed by the cement. The drill pipe dart is pumped behind the cement. The drill pipe dart latches and seals into the pump-down displacement plug. The assembly is pumped downhole, wiping the cement from the liner walls and pushing it ahead of the plug assembly. Tesco's patented PDDP provides pressure isolation from both directions. When the plug lands, a pressure increase at surface indicates full displacement of the cement. Pressure isolation from the bottom prevents the cement from U-tubing back into the liner. The running tool is picked up to expose the packer setting dogs. Set-down weight is used to set the liner top packer. The drillable cement valve is activated. This performs two critical functions if the PDDP fails to reach its profile sub. The bottom float valve prevents the U-tubing of cement back into the liner. The upper float valve allows cement reversal off the liner top without over-displacing the cement, eliminating the possibility of a wet shoe. The cement is reversed off the liner top and circulated back to surface to complete the cementing process. The running tool is pulled back to the rig floor, completing the installation. Tesco is committed to become the industry leader in eliminating non-productive time. The success of our casing drilling achievements have been instrumental in the design and implementation of a quality liner drilling package, reliably delivering both safety and economy to the drilling industry.